Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm rocking a cool song from Martin Garrix DubVision and Shaun. It's called Wherever You Are. Wherever you are. It's not a guitar song, basically, but it is. So you can perform almost anything on a guitar. That's the cool concept here on Gruvgear Guitar. So nothing is too much, and that is something that makes it a little bit extra fun to play a not guitar song on a guitar. Now, let's focus on this one. Capo on third, absolute best scenario. We have a couple chords to go over, so let's start with those. We're gonna go for A minor first. And by the way, we have the same chord progression through the entire song. A minor starts with open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. E minor next. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord, so place the index finger on the first fret, push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And then we have the C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally, we have the G. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so basically we have two different strumming patterns, one for the verse play and one for the chorus / drop. Okay, so let's start with the verse play, and for all these chords we have almost the exact same chord progression, just a little bit difference in the end there depending on verse or chorus. So we're gonna start with the verse play first. It goes like this: A minor, 2 downs, and then E minor, down, up, down. And then comes the F, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That is basically the first half. So together like this, slowly. Okay. The second half goes C, down, 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 up, down. And finally G, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. In the same way as we played F. And that's one round, okay? So slowly, one full round goes like this. Tempo. Okay, you can do this in different ways. This is just my interpretation of exactly how I would play this song. That's the verse play. And then over to chorus, we have almost the same chord progression, and the difference will be also around that C chord, how we do the timing of strumming there. But it starts in the same way, okay? So we're gonna start with A minor, E minor, and almost the full F in the same way. We're gonna start with A minor, E minor first in the same way. So down, 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 up, down. And then for F, we had up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This time you're gonna skip the last up, okay? So play exactly the same. F, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. So up, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then comes F, which is completely different from the first one in the verse. You're gonna play up, up, down, up, down, up, down. So up, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then you go to the G and play up, up, down, up. And that's it. So up, up, down, up. And then the last down, up you had in the G in the first verse there, you're gonna give that to the E minor. And that's the end of it. So I'm gonna take you through this one more time, slowly. It goes like this. and in tempo. Couple rounds, one verse and one chorus goes like this. And that's it, my friends. A great, great song. Wherever you go, you should stay here. That is the main idea. In the end, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me here on Gruvgear Guitar. I appreciate that a lot, and I need your support, guys, to move on to continue with this cool hobby I have. So thank you for everything, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, like always, play tuned.